can you study abroad on a budget? Are there universities with low tuition fees? What scholarship can international student access? These are the questions students ask when planning their study abroad journey. While studying abroad offers exceptional education and career opportunities, but high cost can be challenging. However, with careful planning, it can be made affordable. Here are the 5 practical tips to help you study abroad without breaking the bank. First, choose the countries that offer affordable or even free education. In Germany, many public universities offer tuition fee-free programs for all students, including international ones. You only need to pay a semester fees which typically costs €300 and cover public transport and various services. Denmark offers tuition fee-free education for European students, while non-European students can access scholarship or tuition fee-free exchange program to help reduce cost. In Finland, non-European students pay between 8,000 and 15,000 euro annually for bachelor's and master's degree. However, scholarships and lower living costs in small cities make this more manageable. Other budget-friendly options include Poland, Taiwan, and Czech Republic, where you can receive quality education at a significant low cost than in Western countries. Second, pursue fully funded scholarships. These scholarships can significantly reduce or even eliminate your expenses. Many countries or universities offer fully funded scholarships that cover living costs, tuition fees, and travel expenses too. For example, the Fulbright program supports Indian students studying in the USA by covering tuition fees, living costs, and health insurance plus travel costs. The Chevening Scholarship, funded by the UK government, fully support a one-year master's degree, including tuition fees, living expenses, and travel costs, perfect for the ambitious students. Germany's DAD scholarship provides extensive funding for post-studies, including for master's degree, PhDs, and research, often featuring monthly stipend and insurance. Additionally, scholarships like Erasmus Mundus in Europe and country-specific awards in Australia and Canada can further reduce your educational expenses. For more details about these scholarship opportunities, check our video on free education, link is in the bio. Third, consider taking on a part-time job to help manage your expenses. Many countries offer work opportunities for international students. For example, in Germany, international students can work up to 20 hours per week. In Canada, students can work up to 24 hours per week during the school term and full-time during the scheduled breaks. In Australia, you can work up to 48 hours per fortnight during semesters and enjoy unlimited hours during breaks. By securing a part-time job, you can cover your living costs and reduce your reliance on loan. Fourth, selecting cost-effective housing options. Student dormitories provide budget-friendly accommodation, excellent opportunities to connect with fellow students. Shared apartments are more affordable than renting alone, allowing you to split expenses like rent and utilities. Number third, homestays with local families not only offers low-cost living but also give you a chance to immerse yourself in the local culture. Choose the options that best fits your budget. Fifth, take advantage of exchange programs to save on tuition fees. Many Indian universities partner with institutes in USA, Europe, and Australia, enabling you to study abroad while paying your home university's fees. The Erasmus Plus program in Europe supports exchange for Indian students, providing international experience at lower cost. Studying abroad can be affordable. Choose budget-friendly countries, apply for scholarships, work part-time, opt for cost-effective housing, and consider exchange programs. With smart planning, you can access world-class education and global opportunities without financial strain. Start your journey with EduNirvana today. Don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.